About this item built in full view, the 7000X RGB showcases your system behind 3 gorgeous tempered glass panels while making it easy to build and cool thanks to clever cable management and a spacious interior. CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access hinged door and 30mm of space behind the motherboard. 4 included 140mm RGB fans. CORSAIR SP RGB Elite PWM fans feature 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan and utilize air guide technology to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Smart RGB and fan speed control. An included CORSAIR iCUE Commander Core XT controller. CORSAIR iCUE software and PWM fan repeater enable RGB and fan speed control out of the box. Colossal cooling potential. A massive interior accommodates up to 2x 120mm or 7x 140mm cooling fans, and makes it possible to install multiple radiators for extreme cooling. Customizable side fan